I'm Plato, Jason, Jason, son of God. I could hug a nun. I go on a walk with my dog. We go outside. I shine bright when I fight for light, like a protester, police, politician, priest. I'm out for thieves that hide in the shadows. I'm a warrior of light. I am ready for battle. I saw this guy who said to love her, you must buy a diamond ring. I said bling bling don't mean a thing. Spend all your money on a ring. He said a diamond lasts forever. I said it was like an arm severed in a diamond mine. So the price of diamonds is violence. I said you are wrong and I am righteous. So I started to fight him. I started punching bloody knuckles. I heard chuckles, something hilarious from this grandmother Native American. I said she is dumb, he is evil. She said they aren't even people, you must be blind. You are hitting a billboard sign, silly coyote, just like a coyote. I said you don't know me. And I raised my fist to hit her, and she showed me a mirror, and I saw my fear, and I said I gotta get out of here. I started to run from the sun. I'm a son of a gun, I could shoot to none. So I ran past the church, lost my dog, and I ran till it hurts. I tried to hide inside a tavern, only to hear my shadow's laughter. He pulled out a cigarette to smoke, and he spoke with a joke, and he said, I know of your addictions. I'm gonna teach you about discipline. He blew a hit in my face. Shadow said, I know you're in a relationship. I'm gonna get us some women. Shadow grabbed the butt, said, hey baby. She turned around, he pointed at me and said, are you crazy? Why'd you touch that lady? She was waiting for her boyfriend who played football and did steroids. He rushed in, I hugged him. Shadow started punching. Shadow was hitting me in my kidneys, and the football player thought this was funny, and I slipped free. I went to hit my shadow. Shadow laughed, said, I allow you to see. You need me to be me, so you know how to see. You should thank me. Buy me a beer and a shot. And I said, why not? Cheers. I said goodbye. Shadow laughed. Ha! See you next time. I walked out the bar like a star in the sky. I glowed in the dark, and I found my dog, and we walked home.